guys, as you can tell, I'm not in the usual recording space. As you can tell, you might know, I'm at... And, well, ignore the scarf, I know it's Arsenal, but yeah, just wanted to inform you what I'm doing. And I know tomorrow other people are going to a bonfire. I just thought I'd record one today. Right, bye. Hi guys, I'm back.